Sleeping Beauty lives in the castle. And Belle's in the castle. And the presents. And Minnie. Hey. Hey, I'm gonna get so late. It's so late.
Who else is there, Kavi?
We're presents tonight.
Let me touch. Who else is that, Kav? Who are all the princesses? Tell me.
Here's Belle, and here's Snow White, and here's Cinderella, and here's Belle, and here's Sleeping Beauty.
Wow.
Can I take a picture? I can take a picture of them.
No, it's not a picture. It's not a picture. It's a video.
See the video?
Yeah, we'll show it then. Ooh, look outside. Look at the snow.
Let me go right there. Let me go right here. That's nice.
Thank you.
How?
You're putting it back on the window.
Oh, where'd they go?
Help Mila.
It goes right up here.
Perfect.
Hey, Mila, don't take them off. Don't take them off.
Mila, no.
Take them off.
She doesn't understand, honey.
Yes, that's Mila. These are a little Christmas tree and a big Christmas tree in the castle. And I'm gonna kitty.
All right, can you give Mila a kissy and let's go?
Let's go see the snow.